Yo, YouTube Nation. Got a 06 LS 430. Yeah, with the gold package. Yeah. Another little auction pick. Man, this thing is nice. 06, 143,000 miles. And it is finished in this pearl white paint, which looks dove gray. I mean, it's a beautiful color. I just love it. This is a 2-owner car out of Naples, Florida. Not crazy about the gold package stuff, but it just really is in excellent condition. Look at these seats back here. Look like no one has ever sat back here, guys. Of course, I've got some of my miscellaneous junk and what have you, but look at these carpets. I have floor mats in the trunk, but I just haven't put them in yet. But the headliner looks like it's got a little mark there, a little stain I need to get off. But look at these seats. I mean, these seats are crazy. This interior, it's so nice. Excuse me. Ooh. Door panels are clean. It just really is a great clean car. You can see the condition of the floor mat here and everything. Let's go for a little short drive. Do our little 0 to 60 run. Yeah, this car is phenomenal. Super good shape. For an 06 with 143,000 miles. The timing belt was done at 132. But yeah, this thing is so smooth. It's so quiet. Get down here where I can do my little 0 to 60 run. I was at a church back there and I was about to be run off. I don't think they liked me being there. So that's why I took off so fast. Here, come to a complete stop. Okay, AC is on. Just to the floor, guys. Ooh, got a little wheel spin, baby. I love how this engine sounds. These things are so smooth. I think they make about 290 horsepower out of a 4.3 liter V8. But yeah, this car is going to be for sale. I've got a good Carfax on it with some service history. I don't have all the service history, but it does is obviously been well maintained. I mean, it's in so much better shape than my mother's 2006 that only has 82,000 miles. I mean, and she's garage kept hers and babied it, but just the condition of the seats and just the drivability of it, I don't know that it just feels like a newer car. Strong brakes. I was going to show the tires on the walk around and I didn't. It's got almost a new set of tires all the way around. I love doing that. Ooh, Savannah. God. These things are so powerful. But anyway, ice cold AC, got a good sounding stereo. Heated and AC seats work good. Like I said, timing belt's pretty recent. Water pump, that actually shows up on the Carfax, and there's a decal under the hood Tell you what we'll do is we'll pull up here. No, I won't go here. I've got people following me around. I'll go right here. We'll go up here in this little parking lot. And we'll get us a walk around. Guess we'll walk around somewhere. Under the hood. There you can see some new tires. What kind are these? Duro Performance? Never heard of them. Got the HID lights. Ah, yes, there it is. Yep, 132, 720, and 16, it looks like. So not a whole lot of miles put on it in 2 years, but everything under here is so clean. Got a nice Interstate battery. Lexus Smooth V8, got fresh brake fluid. Everything under here is just the way it should be. Clean as a pin. Very tidy. So, anyway, she's gonna be for sale. I think I'm gonna put this one out there at $9,900. And I'll take an offer. For one that's clean, it's just the mileage is totally irrelevant. This thing is so strong, and the engine and everything just performs just so perfectly. The suspension is totally, tight, strong. Just, I want to keep the damn car. But I can't because it's got that gold package on it, and I have too many cars. But anyway, if anybody's interested, just hit me up, and I appreciate you watching. Later.